future coders, struggling to make your code actually do what you want or stuck wondering when a small mistake breaks the code.
Buckle up for exciting tutorials and mind-blowing tips. First, open your HTML file using any text editor like Visual Studio Code or even Notepad. Make sure your file has the basic HTML structure. To add an image, we use the image tag. The image tag is self-closing, which means it doesn't need a closing tag. And now it has two important attributes that plays a crucial role when it comes to coding. SRC stands for source, which tells the browser where your image file is located. On the other hand, Alt stands for alternative text, which appears if the image cannot load and also helps with accessibility. Next, let's choose the image you want to add. Open File Explorer on your computer and navigate to the folder where your image is saved. You can either drag the image into the same folder as your HTML file or copy its full file path. Back in your HTML file, update the image tag with the correct path. This step is optional. In the video, you saw the image displayed in its original size, which is perfectly fine. If you want, you can change the size of your image by adding width and height attributes. If you don't add this, the image will simply show in its original size, just like in the video. After adding your image, save the HTML file and open it in your web browser. Inside the body tag, type OL. The OL tag stands for ordered list. This will contain our numbered list. Don't forget to add the closing tag. Inside the OL tag, we add list items using LI, which means list item. Save your file, then open it in your browser. You should now see a numbered list. Now, let's move on to another type of list in HTML. Inside the body tag, type UL. The UL tag stands for unordered list. This will contain our list items. Inside the UL tag, we add list items using LI, which stands for list item. Save your file, then open it in your browser to see the bullet points appear. Another way to change the text color in HTML is by using the text attribute inside the body tag. What does it mean? The body tag contains all the visible content of the web page. The text equals red changes the color of all text inside the body. That means the H1 header will automatically become red.